narrative for the DFD.
Yeah, I think the whole thing is about the DFD only lah. So I think
Yeah.
situation maybe we can just write for a one only.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree with that.
Mm.
So we move on now into task.
Yeah, we'll proceed with the task. I think task is like do what is DFD or mm, because task is like what we know include.
I'm sorry, Mindy, come again.
Oh, sorry. Should we include like the task is what is DFD or so
Uh, yes, I get it. We should put first we need to find out what is the FT, right, Mindy?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then anyone else? Another idea? Hello.
I think maybe we can also find out the process and details for our DFD. Oh.
Yes. We need to clearly describe the flow of information and detailing the each process. So that's is our task, right? Then action based on our task.
Hey, task. Do we need to do context diagrams
Uh,
like before we
yes.
go on to DFD? Should we?
Yes. We need to
Yes, right.
find the context diagram first. So the first action is to get the context diagram in place first, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
And then
because
we
we
will
need to know the internal and external, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
yeah. And then we will proceed with level 0 DFD to provide a logical view.
Mm. So that's for the task, I guess.
Then next one,
I think that's all. And then for action,
action, we need to relate this with our current proposed system before we can find out the context diagram. So we need to review our proposed system to get the idea to do the context diagram before we proceed with level 0 DFD.
yep, agree.
Right. Irwan, you have anything to say?
Maybe research since we got say like what is DFD, right? Maybe research on DFD or doing research again on the DFD flow, like how to do the DFD.
Yes, I agree with that. Good idea, Mindy.
Okay. So any more action
So,
you guys?
No.
all right, I will read
Irwan,
the comment. Chen.
uh, Irwan got right for action. Design clear context diagram and level DFD.
Yes, absolutely. I agree with that wholeheartedly.
Okay.
Good one, Irwan.
Okay. Iwan cannot look up mine, so it's okay. And then
Alright.
we just see from WhatsApp. Yeah. So and then since all of that settled already, so our result will be DFD lah, right? The result will be the DFD lah. But we no need to do it out, right? Should we? No, right?
For now, I think
For now,
we
no,
just
right?
need
No need.
to no need.
No.
But we should do this to complete our PBL, right?
Yeah. This is for PBL
Right.
too, right? If we did it
Yeah.
already, so I think
Yeah.
for now for the result, maybe we can just put like
Uh, well structured DFD is in place.
well structured DFD and also the definition of DFD, I guess.
Uh,
Yes, can.
Hmm. So for at the moment, that's it.
yeah. For Memo. So can we like review this again?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So for the station, anyone remember? I am shocked. Suspend of focus.
Develop a business narrative for the DFD.
Yes. And then
And then task.
detailing the each process, right? The
Mm.
Yeah,
flow within the system.
detail each process and then create context diagram and also find out the definition of DFD.
Okay. And then
And
task.
then that's for task.
Oh, that's for
Mm.
And
task.
then for action, yeah. For action is what I mentioned already just now.
Find out
De-
the definition, right?
That for action. And then we also say
design a clear and context diagram.
and
Okay.
also review all the process.
Review to make
That's
it.
for task. That's for action. Sorry.
Action.
And
And
then
then
lastly, the result we will arrive at the well structured DFD and then the
yep,
definition of DFD.
yep. I think can definition first, and then only the
Definitely.
Yeah. Sorry.
yeah.
So
Correct,
this
correct.
will provide a solid foundation for next stage of our system development to complete PBL2. I think that's all for today's task.
I
Yes.
think that's all.
Irwan,
Then for the PBL too, you guys,
for
when is the due? Week 8, right? And now it's week. What week is it?
seriously, I think in
January, right?
January about the last
Oh, January. January.
January.
Okay.
few
Then we
weeks
still
last.
got time yet.
Yeah, we
Okay. Never mind.
we do early.
Never mind. We can just think about this DFD first since this memo also DFD, right? Then later we
Yeah,
discuss about it lah for that one.
yeah, true.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we
Okay.
also have another task. This is individual task lah. So
Indeed, we
we do
do.
it
Do we
ourselves.
need to discuss this one also?
I since
No.
individual, I think not necessary, right?
Mm.
Yes,
So
but
this one maybe we can just do first, and then if you guys got any question, you guys can ask in the group.
Yes.
yes, I agree, Mindy. I want to ask something later.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So this one we just do our own on ourselves first because I also haven't do. So later I will do. And then maybe we can discuss in the group lah if you guys got any question. And then
Okay.
this one due on
Third
Tuesday, right?
December.
Yeah, 3rd
Yes.
December,
Oh.
Tuesday. Okay, so still can take our time. Okay.
How many minutes? already. Our recording.
Okay,
Enough.
Ah,
Enough.
okay. Okay, okay.